Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will teach you how to use my AI on TikTok, but if you don't have the access of my AI on Snapchat. First, go and watch my previous video how to access my AI on Snapchat. First, you have to open your Snapchat. And after opening it, you can see the message icon in the bottom. Click on it. Then you can see my AI on Snapchat. Click on it. Then my AI will open next to you. My AI was before present in Snapchat Plus, but now it is also present in Snapchat. My AI is a computer program designed to have conversations and dialogue with users like a person. As you input information, either by typing or speaking, it responds to you. If you ask it a question, it searches available databases, gathers information, and formulates a response. It only provides you information that is safe in its data. For I am asking AI who invented Snapchat. As you and see, he replied with detail. You can also him for recipe, like I am asking him how to make cake. As you can see that we had replied me with points how to make cake. So can also talk to AI if you are stressed, as AI is kind and friendly and helpful. For example, I am saying AI that I am stressed. As you can see that AI replied in a friendly way. He also suggested me if I want to do any relaxation exercises. My AI is just like ChatGPT, it helps you with everything that you ask. That's all how to use my AI, and if you like the video, make sure to subscribe the channel and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.